Hello Automation Annual lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions, and in today's session we are going to explore the play sound action of the Automation Anywhere A360. So guys, see, if you want to play any sound when your board throws any error, or if you want to play a sound when your board is completed, so in attended automation you can use this. So if you want to generate any alert, means if bot is performing this particular step, then you want to play a particular sound, especially in the attended automation, so that the controller or the person who is monitoring the automation, so he will be aware of that, means this particular event has occurred, and that's why we are getting this sound. So we can use some beep sound or some alerts kind of sounds. So for example, I have opened this website Pixabay, so you can download the sounds from here. So you can download any of this sound, and in control room, when we go to actions, we can see this package play sound, and we have these two options: play beep, play media file. So play beep, if you want to use a beep which is provided by Automation Anywhere itself, so you can use this section. And if you want to play a sound from your external media file, means if you have any mp3 file and you want to play that sound, so you can use this play media file action. And if you don't have any sound and you want to use the sound which is provided by Automation Anywhere itself, so you can use this play beep. And let me show you, let me run this. We can hear that sound. And play media file, I have downloaded this beep warning file, so I will use this media file in my taskboard. I will give the path of that file. Okay, so this is the path of that file, and make sure this file, the extension of the file is .wav, WAV, or .mp3. And if your sound is more than 2-3 seconds, so then it will not run the sound. Means for this section you need to input a beep sound, means it could be 1 second or 2 second long. And if you are trying to give a song or something else, so it will play only 1 or 2 seconds. So I think 1 second only. So let me play this again. And all right, so now our bot will play this sound. This is really a useful feature in attended automation, especially. And here we go, we can hear that sound. So we can use this feature in attended automation. And if we want to get any alert when a particular event is occurring, or when bot is executing a particular piece of code, so there we can add this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. So let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of the topic of Automation Anywhere A360. Thank you. Bye.